things Igoo Mmuo has done for me. Spirituality impacts a discipline and stoicism that affects every part of you. So it's not even possible that I can list all of them. But here are some fun ones. Stop to beer. Mmuo is all I have. In my darkest hour, Mmuo was all I had. So again, anything that affects my connection and separates me and my Mmuo gotta go. Stops happening. Shit is poison to me, fam. The rule with cassava derivatives is the more processing it has undergone, the better. E.g. Gary, Ijebu Gary, right? Probably the best because since it has been fried to death, hopefully soon I'll acquire enough wealth. Can make reason in the go. Jiaso hasu with ede and plantain. Yan is rich often salad stop with dry fish. Yeah, Amazon. Or possibly stopped BDSM. Maybe, just maybe. Obviously, Bido Fugoba more, Malumaka more why. And that sacrifices, gifts should be offered at the foot of our statue. You gain a great respect for the feminine, even those who don't respect themselves. At least you know you can't do like a favorite act on no man, be shouting garden tool and female dog while you are choking her out. So just maybe quit bitches. Igoo Mmuo to them before now, but I can't take no risk with if I get send the whole UNM graduates back to school. So on that point, fam, any of the money can just make any see my mom wife, fam. Hot cake him, fam. Please don't let that happen. Do it for world peace. Buy and help me share my market to your people. Stream Holy Ezumezu all through your Igoo Mmuo. Reduce the volume very low and Jilian or Duna more, Minasu, Ibigo or incense. Nigeria Mary Igoo Mmuo if you don't have time to go off forward. Buy a very call.